Hello then, welcome. This is Allan. I'm so happy I'm here today, and I'm going to share with you this that makes me so proud and happy. I want to talk about the law of money, the law of riches, the law of compensation. You know, money has to be earned. No one will give you money for free. Don't ever think about that. Money has to be earned. By law, it has to be earned. So if you think about, I don't know, winning the lotto and you get rich, yeah, it's fine, but that's for a little time. You have to learn the law of compensation. Then you'll earn the amount of money you want for your whole life. No little, no less, but what you want. So what does it state? It just decreases the amount of money you earn is in direct ratio to the need for what you do, your ability to do it, and the difficulty lies in replacing you. Think about that. The need for what you do. Be good in what you do. Look around. Is what you're doing on a big demand? What you do should be on demand for you to earn the amount of money you want. Then two, the need, your ability to do it. Are you really good at what you're doing? Most people have 10 years experience, 50 times 10 years of experience, but they never get good at what they're doing. Are you really good at what you're doing? Your ability to do that thing attracts you more and more people. Then the difficulty lies in replacing you. When you become good, you're really difficult to replace. When you are very good in what you're doing, you're really difficult in replacing you. In my place where I stay, there's a doctor for dogs. I don't know how to call him. But when you get a dog bite, you go to him. When you have your dog, you want to be, I don't know, is it immunization? Is it vaccinated? Yeah, you go there. And he's the only one in the place. He's the only one in the area. He's really good. He's making lots of money. Yeah, that's a lot of compensation. I want to give you a bonus. If you really want to get rich, you have to have multiple sources of income. You have to have multiple sources of income. In the next video, I'm going to tell you about multiple sources of income. This is Allan. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe.